Hey everybody, it's Octavius Prime here. Outside right now, doing my walk. Got the iWatch here. So on my other channel, I usually do my exercise thing or whatever. I never really did an upload, when it came down to, what I do as far as working out and just taking many adventures and showing you guys how beautiful and majestic my city is that I live in, so you can see it for yourself. Right there, I'm on Royal Poinciana Bridge right now, and just taking a nice little hike right now. So, and you guys get to see everyday clips that you enjoy, and I like the fact you guys enjoy the clips. I'll say 1 out of 10 now. We're hitting 10,000, 9,000 views, and I'm very proud of that because it's content. This is why I came to YouTube. This is why I came to YouTube. I came to YouTube originally to provide the people with my lifestyle. I travel. I got the time to get out here and show you guys this beautiful stuff. And sometimes we take vacation and we get stuff on camera for you guys too. So I've been a part of the live stream community for a while, and I will continue to be. Nevertheless, I'm really seeing a lot more promise in the upload short community, as far as content. So the uploads will remain content, like content that YouTube, that everybody enjoys. That's the direction I'm going. I'm still around, and I still continue doing what I'm doing. But it's been so much of a positive response when it came down to me providing this type of entertainment and historical clips, because like even that clip I did the other day of the homeless people, or even going to Donald Trump's house, or riding by Mar-a-Lago. Mar-a-Lago is like in that direction over there. That's the island of Palm Beach right here. So, how y'all doing? That's the island of Palm Beach, and over there you can't see it right now, but it's the Flagler Museum over there in the back. And I do plan on going over there to show you guys that house and how huge it is. And that's what we do. So you see a lot of uploads. Sometimes you don't see me in them all the time. You see me ever so often, but this is who I am. And all races, creeds, religions are welcome. And shout out to the TikTok community. I gotta say, they really have a stronger reach as far as going international. I had somebody from Israel share my video over there. So I will continue to do both platforms. And you can catch me over there. I just started doing uploads like Sunday. And a few videos are doing hundreds of views over there. And I'm proud of it because I have like 42 followers. 42 followers. All right, y'all. So it's all love, peace. I'm getting my workout on, so let's see if I can show y'all that before I go. So right now, that's how many miles I walk. All right, so right now I got 2.2. So hope you guys can see it right there. So we got 2.2 miles walk, and and you see me right now, I think in 1080p, high definition, no filters, and you'll continue to see me a lot more in the upload community. All right, y'all, peace.